the quickest way to sustain or get that immediate high of love that you're lacking is you eat. So when Letitia says, I'm an emotional eater, we use these terms, but we don't have no idea really what we're saying. We don't really have the depth of what that means to be an emotional eater. What we really are is a love eater. Love, the lack of when we don't have a person that we feel like should be with us and loving us, have a partner. So love is eating at us. It's like what's eating at you, and the fact that you giving out so much of yourself and you're not trained to fill yourself back up. So, but when I think of hell, I think of the heartbreak, the emptiness, the loneliness, and the lack. So if you are in a perpetual hell where your heart is constantly getting broken, or you're trying to prevent your heart from being broken, you feeling empty. You know how we recreate ourselves, and then all of a sudden what we're doing is not satisfying to us anymore. And now we're feeling empty and we don't know what we should do and where we should go and what's the next turn. And then the loneliness, because especially when you're not with somebody, but then you can be with somebody and still feel lonely, still feel all alone. And then the lack of just not feeling like you have enough of anything. You may have a job, but then you feel like the money that you're getting every 2 weeks is still not enough. You might have a car, but then you don't like it's old or something like that. But there's always a feeling of lack. That is your proverbial hell. And so while you are in hell, you cannot shift into losing weight as well as being able to keep it off, because your internal system is comfortable with being in hell.